UiPath Document Understanding is a powerful feature that enables the extraction of structured data from unstructured documents such as invoices, receipts, contracts, and forms. It combines optical character recognition (OCR) technology with machine learning algorithms to intelligently analyze and extract relevant information from documents. Document understanding can be used in various scenarios where you need to process large volumes of documents and extract structured data from them. Some common use cases include invoice processing, automatically extracting invoice details such as vendor name, invoice number, line items, and total amount from invoices. Receipt processing, extracting information from receipts such as store name, date, items purchased, and total amount. Contract analysis, automatically analyzing contract terms and conditions to extract key data points like parties involved, contract dates, payment terms, etc. Form processing, capturing data from filled-out forms such as survey responses, application forms, or feedback forms. By using document understanding, you can significantly reduce manual data entry efforts, improve data accuracy, and accelerate document processing workflows. It provides a more efficient way to handle large volumes of documents and extract valuable insights from them.